Imagine Mickey Mouse pitching Apple with last year's iPhone slides. Outdated decks, disaster. Donald Duck quoting the wrong price to a Tesla buyer. Game over. Bugs. Bunny says one thing, Superman says another. Product messaging all over the place. And reps? Wasting hours digging for case studies like Scooby-Doo hunting ghosts. Now picture the AI way. Decks update automatically, pricing stays live, Spider-Man gets instant objection handlers mid-call, Mario spins up personalized sales sites in seconds with Moksy.ai, and Batman, he finally tracks which document closed the deal. Sales Enablement 2.0 isn't a dream, it's AI. Faster onboarding, sharper talk tracks, zero guesswork. Which side is your team on? Subscribe now. More deep dives ahead.